Hey, in this video we're going to be reviewing a Bogg Bag. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherman Outdoors. Hey, still dealing with the shoulder surgery recovery, so I got limited stuff that I can do, but this is actually something I've been wanting to do for a bit. When we were at spring break, we have a beach bag that we typically have used over the years, and it collapses and it holds the stuff. It's pretty nice. It started to get a little ratty, and I started seeing these Bogg bags everywhere. We were down in Florida, and so I asked my wife what these were. She's like, "Oh, it's a Bogg bag. It's a little expensive, but they're great." So I started doing a little research into them, and so here's a link to it at Amazon. I did buy one. They're about 160 bucks, so they're a little bit pricey, but they are great. They're made of this rubbery material. You can spray them out, you can kick them around. One thing I really like is they stay upright the entire time. So again, it's 160 bucks, a little pricey, and then there are some accessories as well. So why don't we do this? Why don't I go behind the camera real quick? We'll just kind of do a quick walkthrough. This is a short video. It's not meant to be very long. And kind of give you a walkthrough of the Bogg bag, what comes with it, and then additions, and then kind of how it works, and move from there. All right, let's get started. All right, so this is basically a Bogg bag. If we kind of look around it, this is the extra large version. I've got a wife and 3 kids, so we pack it up when we're at the pool or we're at the beach. But one thing I like is you can see this thing sits up, right? And the other thing I like is it's made of this rubbery compound material. You're not gonna beat it up. You're not gonna break it. It does have holes in the side, so it will drain if you just kind of drop it on its side. And but everything sits upright. It's very well put together. These handles are very almost, I won't call it industrial-like, but they're not going to break. And this is so easy. If you want to put these down, you just turn it, and now you've got a twisted down handle out of the way. Put it up. It's nice, as simple as that. I had to look on YouTube actually to figure that whole thing out. Inside. Well, if we look at previous bags I've used, if we had to get in it, we opened it up, it would fall over, do various things. This bag has served us for years, but this particular one, I'm gonna be able to have everything in here, all of our towels. In this particular case, we've got sunscreen. I did buy an extra Bogg bag. This is a waterproof bag. It can hold whether you've got prescriptions or makeup or any type of thing you want to keep out of the water, your keys, that kind of stuff. It's good to throw in here. It does come with a couple pouches that pop out really easily. A little one right here is great for room keys, car keys, and this other one's pretty big. And you can see here I got UGA koozies. But the takeaway from this is this thing is very deep, very large. This comes in all kinds of different sizes. We did buy the biggest one, so you can get this cheaper than 160 bucks. But if you turn around again, you can get widgets. We got an S here for Sherburne, and then I got a white one on the other side. I kind of like the white one better. But you got these holes you can put through. We're gonna put a speaker through one of these that we have from JBL, and all our other stuff. So I'm really looking forward to using this on our cruise next week. I'll post some updates from that on our Bogg bag when we're on a cabana. But this is the famous Bogg bag. This particular one is an XL, and you can get it for 160 bucks off Amazon. Again, pretty simple one. Oh, and also it has some good traction feet on the bottom, so you're not going to tear it up. So with that said, don't want to do too much more. Hey, thank you for your time. Again, that's the Bogg bag. You can get it off Amazon. Hey, again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that like, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of new content. Thanks for your time, everybody. Have a great weekend.